Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Today I have selected some questions from second year mathematics past papers. Especially I think these are the previous questions from NED past papers as far as I am concerned. NED and some sort of questions from ECAT. Question number 1 reads as the equation 2x square plus 3y square minus 4x is equal to 0 represents what? A point, circle, parabola or ellipse. Let's see and find out. X square, y square, both are positive and their coefficients are different. X square, y square, both are positive and their coefficients are not equal. X square, y square, both are positive and their coefficients are not equal. Different. It's equation of ellipse. It's equation of ellipse. When x square, y square, both are positive, coefficients are different, it's ellipse. When x square, y square, both are positive, coefficients are same, circle. If x square, y square, one positive, one negative, it's hyperbola. If any one has square x or y, it is parabola. X power 1, y power 1, it represents a line. So in that case, x square, y square, both are positive and their coefficients are not equal. It represents ellipse whose eccentricity is always less than 1. Moving to question number 2, the length of the lattice rectum of the parabola. Length of the lattice rectum of the parabola y square plus 12x is equal to 0. To hunt equation of parabola, either x has a square or y has a square. Either x or y has a square, not both. This is equation of parabola. Focus directions lie along x-axis. We are asked to find length of lattice rectum. Square in y. Whatever is the coefficient of x, it is our length of lattice rectum. It's our length of lattice rectum. That is denoted by 4a. That is, in that case, it is 12. If it is negative 12x, drop minus sign. Why? Length is always positive. Length is a non-negative quantity. Y square plus 12x. Square in y, whatever the coefficient of x is, it is our length of lattice rectum. What you have to do, if minus is present, discard the negative symbol because length is always positive. And also we also know that eccentricity of parabola is equal to 1. Eccentricity of parabola is equal to 1. Okay, next question number 3. Distance of the point 3 minus 2 from the line. 3x plus 4y plus 10. Okay, distance from point to line. Distance from point to line is given by d modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c overall root of coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square. The work of modulus is only that if the overall answer is negative, turn it positive because the length or distance is always positive. That is the work of this modulus. Okay, cool. We have equation 3x plus 4y plus 10 divided by the root coefficient of x square, that's 3, coefficient of y square, that's 4. We have given equation 3x plus 4y plus 10. I have written coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square. What is the point? That is the point. That's value of x, that's value of y. Insert here. It will become 3 times 3 plus 4 times minus 2 plus 10 overall. The square of 3 is 916. 3 3 is 9. 9 minus 8 plus 10 overall 25. 9 minus 8 1 means 11 over 5 units is our answer. 11 over 5 is our answer in that case. Distance from point to line. Ax1 plus by plus c overall under root a square plus b square. The work of modulus is that eventually the answer is negative, you have to turn into positive, because length or distance is always positive, a non-negative quantity. Let me erase these three questions, then we move forward. This one, this is length of lattice rectum and it represents ellipse. Okay, question number 4, it's a limit question. Limit, the limit of e raised 3x minus 1 divided by x tends to 0, we have to evaluate. Instead of writing limit x tends to 0 here, it has been mentioned in words like this. So I can write limit x tends to 0, e raised 3x minus 1 over all x. We are familiar from our 2 to 3 fundamental identities in trigonometry at our second year level. It's e raised x minus 1 over all x is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Okay, cool. These two must be same. There is 3x, there must be 3x, there must be 3x. So there is deficiency of 3. Divide and multiply by 3. Limit x tends to 0. E raised 3x minus 1 divided by 3x. Divide as well as multiply. Now it's equal to 1. According to this formula, 1 times 3. 3 is our answer in that case. 3 is our answer in that case. Question number 5. The second derivative of e raised 2x plus 1 at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. I used to call this case base constant power variable. I used to call it base constant power variable. And the other is such type of questions, I used to call them base variable power variable. This thing is present. Let me give you good idea. Students mostly are familiar from only this case. Base variable power constant. Base variable power constant. What we have to do, drag the power down, subtract 1 from the power, then derivative of the base. This is the familiar case. Student always works on that, especially new beginners, newcomers. That is the second case. That's the third case. You should have fair idea about these three cases. Normal case, base variable power constant, drag the power down, subtract 1 from the power, and so on. Second case, base constant power variable. How to handle this? How to handle this? Let's see how to handle base constant power variable. Write it same. We have to find its second derivative. Write it same. E power 2x plus 1. Differentiate. What is the derivative of power? 2 times x1, 1 is 0. Then introduce this e with base ln. This e with ln e. Whatever the base is, same. Derivative of power, base with ln. Same. Derivative of power, base with ln. Same. Derivative of power, base with ln. Ln e is equal to 1. It is equal to 2 times e raised to x plus 1. It's our first derivative. We are asked to find second derivative at x is equal to, differentiate second time. Differentiate second time again. We have 2 times e raised to x plus 1, same. Derivative of the power, that's 2 times base with ln. Go to the 4 times e raised to x plus 1. We are asked to evaluate at x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. It will become 4 times e raised to plus 1. 4 times e raised cube is our answer in that case. 4 raised e cube is the answer in that case. In that case, 3 is the answer. Okay. Cool. Next. What is the question? A good question as well. That is sec x square. Sec x square. Let me clarify the situation. It is not equal to sec square x. It means it has power overall 1. It means it has overall power 2. It has overall power 2. So they are not equal. So their power is 1. Be careful about that. How to handle this? Let's see. Power is 1. What is derivative of sec? Sec and tan. Differentiation of sec is sec as well as tan. Right angle same. Then the differentiation of the angle. Differentiation of angle is x square is 2x. X square is 2x. There is no need to multiply this one. They are separate functions. They are separate functions. It can be written as 2 times x times sec x square, tan x square. That's our answer in that case. They are not equal. It has power 1, angle has a square. It has overall square. It has overall square. Okay. Next question, a good question from derivative. Differentiate x square plus 1 overall x. Such type of questions are present in integration as well as differentiation. We are asked to find its derivative. Don't apply quotient formula. Quotient formula is going to be cumbersome, and then you have to apply synthetic division in order to arrive at the options. Don't be a hard worker, be a smart worker. Change your strategy. Only one term in the denominator, separate divide. Cancel out, we have x plus 1 over x. It can be written as x raised minus 1. Now differentiate. How simple it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Drag the power down, subtract 1 from the power, and derivative of x is 1. So it can be written as 1 minus x raised minus 2. It can be written as 1 minus 1 over x square. 1 minus x square. That's our eventual answer. In that case, D is our right option. Okay. Let me erase. We have done with 7 questions. 3 are remaining. Let's see and find out what are they. Now we are asked to find max or min value. The curve is minimum or maximum, we have to sort it out. Okay. Extreme values. Max and min collectively called extreme values. Extreme values. Look, double derivative is negative, means max at given x. If double derivative is positive, it is the sign of min. If double derivative is equal to 0, it's neither min nor max. It's known as point of inflection. Extreme values, max and min collectively called extreme values. Max and min collectively called extreme values, like angel, like Saturn. Extreme values, max, min. If double derivative is positive, max. Double derivative is negative, negative, max. Double derivative positive, min. Double derivative 0, neither min nor max, also known as point of inflection. So what we have given? We have given the question 2x minus x square at x is equal to 1. We have to sort it out whether it is max or min. For max or min, we have to differentiate 2 times dy over dx. 2 differentiation of x is 1, x square means 2x. 2 minus 2x. Again differentiate double derivative d square by dx square is equal to differentiation of constant 0, 2 x is 1, negative 2. So there x is equal to 1 is given to us. If there is x possible, we would have been put x is equal to 1 in that case. But there is no need, it is constant and it is purely less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. It has max. Function has max at x is equal to 1. If double derivative is negative max, double derivative positive min, double derivative is equal to 0, neither min nor max. Min and max collectively known as extreme values. Okay. Area under the curve. Question number 8. Area under the curve. Or solve differential equation means integrate. Area under the curve. We have given y square is equal to x, and the limits are given to us. What are the limits? Let me check. X is equal to 1. Area under the curve from 1 to 4. X is equal to 1 to x is equal to 4. Okay, that's formula for area under the curve. A stands for area. A to be y times dx, where a is less than a is less than or sometime equal to b, then it's 0. A is less than or equal to b. That's our a. That's our b. 1 to 4. We can easily sort out value of y is root x dx. If y square is equal to x, then y is equal to root x. Integrate, enhance 1 in the power, add 1 into the power, 1 upon 2 plus 1, divide with the same. It will become x raised 3 over 2 divided by the same power, 3 over 2. It can be written as 2 over 3 Put limit, upper limit is 4. 4 raised 3 over 2 minus lower limit 1 raised 3 over 2. Whatever the power of 1, it's 1. How to handle 4 power 3? 4 raised 3 power 2. 4 can be written as 2 square. Overall 3 over 2. 2 to cancel minus 1. 2 over 3. 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube means 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 2 over 3, 8 minus 1. So we have 2 over 3 times 7. 14 over 3 units. 14 over 3 units. 14 over 3 units. In that case, our option is B. And in this case, max is the required result. Now our final question, a good one. Cos x times e raised, sorry, there is sin x e raised cos x. Mostly the question based on function and derivative, function and derivative. Function is in derivative. I can write e raised cos x times sin x. If we suppose f of x is cos x, then f dash x is equal to negative sin x, negative sin x. So there is deficiency of minus, compensate. 2 times minus negative e raised cos x times negative sin x dx. Now it's our e raised function and its overall f dash x dx. It is equal to e raised function only. E raised function. What's our function? Cos x minus e raised cos x plus c is the final answer in that case. Is the final answer in that case. Option number C. Option number C. It's my tiny effort for you guys in second year. Especially my selection is purely from past papers. Past papers. I have evidence from where I have selected. I can show you. I am not a gambler or booster. This is this one. This is that one. That is the reality. I am a pragmatic person. Pragmatic person. These are the from past papers of mostly NED or ECAT I have selected, especially second year. Especially second year. It's all by itself. Next.